Last week, it was announced that number 3 ranked lightweight contender Benil Dariush is going to fight Islam Makhachev, who is ranked on number 4 in UFC lightweight division, and this matchup will take place on February 26th. And winner of this fight will fight whoever holds the UFC lightweight belt at that time. Because now it has been made clear that Justin Gaethje will be the first to get winner of Charles Oliveira and Dustin Poirier. So when Benil Dariush was asked during an interview what does he think of his next fight, he said that I'm very excited about that. And this matchup was initially offered to me for UFC 267, but it was too soon and I told UFC that I won't be available before December. And I'm happy that I'm fighting a guy who has all this hype and everybody think that this is the guy because I think that I'm the guy. If you look at both of the styles of Islam Makhachev and Benil Dariush, they are both very good striker with very high grappling credentials. Where Islam uses is as his bread and butter, Benil Dariush uses his grappling not too often. Benil Dariush has heavy hands and he's a really good striker. And on top of that, this is the first time that Islam Makhachev will be fighting a guy that is not afraid of grappling with him. When he was asked that if he has been assured that if he gets the victory against Islam Makhachev, he will be the next to get the title shot, he said that I'm not sure and no, nobody has assured me that. But I think that it should be that way. But I won't be surprised if I have to fight one more time and somebody else jumps in because it can happen. I understand the business as well, but I'll be really upset if that happens. I've never been upset with GFC before, but if somebody jumps in before me, then that would be not acceptable. And then I'll talk to Dana White and Sean Shelby. He was talking about Conor McGregor potentially jumping in if Dustin Poirier has the belt at that time. And he's right as well because Conor wants to fight Dustin, and as soon as he will be available, UFC won't make any mistakes in not making that matchup because they know it's a huge fight, and the last time as well, it did really well. But it won't be ideal if you look at the competition point of view because somebody like Benil Dariush and Islam Makhachev, who has 8 or 9 wins to get to the title, you can't allow somebody to fight for the title when they're coming to fight losing skid. So thanks for watching this video and please subscribe my channel. I'll keep updating more.